Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to use case statements in SQL to implement conditional logic within your queries. A case statement allows you to perform conditional logic in your SQL queries. It enables you to return different values based on specific conditions, making your queries more dynamic and flexible. The basic syntax of a case statement include the keyword case followed by the conditions and corresponding results. There are two types. Simple case compares a single expression, while searched case evaluates multiple conditions. Here is an example of a simple case statement that categorizes employees based on their job titles. Let us look at the SQL code and its output. In contrast, a searched case statement allows for more complex conditions. Here is an example that assigns letter grades based on numerical scores. Notice how each condition is evaluated independently. You can use case within select statements to transform data. For instance, you can categorize sales data based on thresholds, providing meaningful labels in your output. Case statements can also be used in order by and group by clauses. This allows you to sort results based on calculated fields or group data conditionally. Best practices include keeping your case statement simple and readable, avoiding excessive nesting, and documenting your logic to ensure clarity for future reference. In summary, case statements are powerful tools for implementing conditional logic in SQL. I encourage you to practice using them in your queries to enhance your data manipulation skills. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share to others.